In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video in ChatGPT. We will use ChatGPT to plan everything your video tool needs, from script to prompts. To get started, open ChatGPT. If you are using a browser, you will see the familiar chat layout with a menu on the left and a large message box at the bottom. On a phone, the layout is tighter, but the main message box is still at the bottom, ready for you to type. Once ChatGPT is open, click New Chat. This clears any old conversation and gives you a fresh, empty thread. You should now see a blank conversation area with the cursor blinking in the message box, showing that ChatGPT is ready for new instructions and not mixing in anything from earlier chats. Now type what you want to create. In the message box, describe in plain language the kind of video you have in mind. You can write something short like, "I want to make a short tutorial video," or you can write a longer paragraph. If you are unsure, one helpful trick is to imagine you are explaining your idea to a friend and just type that. After that, describe the topic, style, length, and scenes. For example, you might say the topic is a beginner guide to a tool, the style is friendly and simple, the length is around 3 minutes, and you want maybe 4 or 5 scenes. Adding these details lets ChatGPT shape the script pacing, like how long the intro is and how much time to spend on each point. Next up, ask ChatGPT to create a video script and storyboard. In the same message or a follow-up one, tell it clearly that you want a full script with narration lines and a simple scene-by-scene breakdown. On screen, you will see ChatGPT reply with sections for each scene, along with the spoken text and sometimes notes on visuals. A useful detail here is that you can immediately ask it to adjust tone or length, and the updated script appears in the same chat. With that ready, copy the prompts into your preferred video generation or editing tool if you want to. Highlight the parts you need, such as narration lines for voiceover or short prompts that describe each scene. Then paste them into your chosen video software, exactly where that tool expects text prompts or scripts. Many tools work best with short, clear prompts, so you can also ask ChatGPT to condense a long description before copying. Finally, generate and edit the video there. In your video tool, use the pasted prompts to create the scenes, add the narration, and arrange the timeline. Once it generates a draft, make small edits like trimming clips or adjusting text so the timing matches the script you got from ChatGPT. When you finish, you will have a complete video built from the plan you created here. So now you have used ChatGPT to design a full video blueprint ready for any editor. And if this walkthrough helped you map out your own video, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it. And feel free to subscribe if you want more practical ChatGPT guides.